there. Videos are such an important thing on the internet, and we want you to be able to embed videos directly from YouTube extremely easy and fast. So let's go and have a look at the new package that was created. It's called Lite. Here you go. It's a YouTube component where you can essentially embed YouTube videos that load incredibly fast. It's an adaptation from an NPM component that already exists. Paul Irish made this. Have a look at it. It's pretty cool. If you install it and then go into your homepage or wherever you want this video to be embedded, all you essentially have to do is click a div, click E, type in YouTube, and then you have the component. What's really cool about this component is you can embed both YouTube Shorts, you can embed YouTube videos and playlists, and you can control a bunch of things. So if it's a YouTube Short, you put in the ID for that, or the ID for the video, but then you click true here. You can control if you want any parameters. The key things that are important here is the video ID, which you will always need to put in, because if you're linking to a playlist, it'll not necessarily immediately show the thumbnail for that playlist. So you use the video ID to do that. But right now I'm going to teach you just how to do a quick embed of a playlist. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to YouTube, and then we're going to go to Toddle's YouTube channel, and we're going to find a playlist from here. Let's just click playlists, and then we wanna use the packages playlist. I'm going to short it or pause it, and then I click. I go up to where I have my URL. I'm going to pick out the video ID, which is the small ID that comes right after $V equals. You take the whole thing until there's an and, or just the whole thing if it's not a playlist, just a video, it just shows that ID. What you can do, you copy that, and then we will go back to Toddle here, and then I'm going to click the element, and I'm going to go to video ID. Oh, and what you see when you click in video ID, boop, there it goes. You have embedded a video. That's how you embed just a single YouTube video. If you want to embed a playlist, which we just agreed that we wanted to do, then we will go again back to the video that we were just at. And then there's an and list equals. You want to copy the ID after that. So you basically take the whole shebang, copy it, and then we're going to go back to our video that we have here, and we're going to put in the playlist ID underneath. And that means that now if you click this video, you will play it, but you'll play the first video of the playlist, and you can see up here that in this playlist there's all of these things. If you just embed a single YouTube video and remove the playlist ID, what will happen is it'll update. When you click it, it'll just be the video. So that's it for this component. There's a couple of things that you can do, like auto load and a bunch of other attributes, and you want to make sure that you set those as they make sense. But that's really, it's super easy.